Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review for the Pitaka MagCase for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I do want to start by giving a special thanks to the Pitaka team for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can stay up to date with new videos that are posted on my channel. So again, this is the Pitaka MagCase for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And you can take a look at the box here. Let's see what features it has. So it's 100% genuine Armored fiber and 17 grams light. So I believe this case is really thin. And you can see it right here. And it also supports wireless charging. And also this case has a magnetic or a metal plate that's built into it as well. And also supports wireless charging. And I know a lot of those cases out there that has that magnetic, I keep saying magnetic, that metal plate that's built into the case, but it doesn't support wireless charging. Well, this one does. So that's pretty cool. And again, that's the branding. And it's made out of, looks like bulletproof material, very thin. So this case is for individuals that don't really like to have cases on their phones, or the bare minimum if they do want to have a case on it. So it's not going to give you the best protection, but it will cover the back of your phone and the sides. Also, maybe for those of you that don't want to have the fingerprints showing all over the back of your phone, well, this would be a good case for that. And again, it has that metal plate that's built in. So if you have one of those magnetic mounts that's in your car that you have in your car vents, this will stick on it just fine. And if it's a built-in wireless charger like they have here, they actually have a Pitaka wireless charger, and it's also serves as a magnetic mount for your car as well. So 2-in-1. I don't have that charger, but I do have it available, and I'll have links posted in the description for this as well. But you get all those benefits with the combo system they have here. Let's see here. So let's take a look at the branding. Again, it does support wireless charging, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open up this box. Let's see here. Take a look at that. Let's see what they have on the back. So there's some information here. It is the thinnest phone case made from bulletproof materials. It is the world's first modular magnetic wallet made from carbon fiber. It is all about your carrying experience. And it says the moment you have a Pitaka product at hand, you start an unparalleled carrying experience that unlike any other. It is a magical world of seamless carrying experience, and that makes you being different from anyone else. This is Pitaka. All right, so pretty cool presentation. Look at all the stuff you get here. All for a case, so that's pretty cool. Some more information. Let's see here. Little thank you. Message, and I guess some instructions or information regarding the case. Okay, it's pretty cool. Again, this is a lot of material. Great presentation for just a case, so you can definitely appreciate that. And this is the case itself, compatible with Pitaka magnetic mount, like I mentioned. So that magnetic mount has a built-in wireless charger for your car. So that's pretty cool. And look how thin this case is. Has a little bit of lip, as you can see there. But it's so thin. And obviously very minimum protection for your camera. Again, this is not a case for protection. It'll protect you from scratches and things in that sort. But it's more to have that sleek look, but still have bare minimum protection for your phone, and nice look too. The materials is well made, solid, It's not slippery, so you do get that as well. So you'll get that benefit. Let's take a look at the cutouts. So S Pen cutout, speaker, your charging USB Type-C, microphone. Nothing on this side, of course. Then you have your opening for, get the focus there. You have your opening for your volume rocker, and then your power button. And then your top cutout, so your top speaker and microphone as well. And so now I'm going to go ahead and install this case on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus so you can see how it looks. So you just install the case starting from the bottom this way and then slap it backwards, just like that. As you can see, very sleek, easy access to the S Pen. All the cutouts, you have access to your buttons on the side. There's no real protection here. Like I said, it's very thin, nor is there any lip to protect your screen. But again, it will protect against scratches. It has good grip, so it won't slip out your hand. And let's test out the wireless charging. As you can see, wireless charging works just fine. So there you have it, the Pitaka MagCase for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and that's for the 4G or 5G version. If you're interested in this case, please head to the description, as I will have a link posted in there. And if you want to find more information regarding Pitaka, I will have a link there as well, so you can look at the other products and you can know more about the company. Again, it's a very sleek profile, very light, and it almost feels like I don't even have a case on here. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.